What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be looking at another amazing library which is called Flip. It calls itself the most advanced flip counter plugin available on the web. It's super easy to set up, amazingly flexible, and beautifully animated. And I quite agree with that characterization, because as you can see, it offers you this amazing flip counter. So you can find this library at pqina.nl. So it's an amazing library. It allows you just to do this simple functionality of countdown. You want to maybe count down a time to a certain event, or you want to count down a certain amount of minutes or days or hours, and this library is going to allow you to do just that. So let's check out some demos of what it can do. So you can have an events countdown, you have a timed countdown, recurring events countdown, historic countdown, fundraising campaign, value counter, and so on and so forth. So let's just check out all of those and what they do, or what they actually look like. So it's quite amazing. So we're going to load the preset. As you can see, this is it. You can set the different times and different everything for it. So you can find the code to this just here. Just in this couple of lines, you can have this amazing demo on your website. So you have to set the time from which you want to count down to, and the time up to which you want to count. So you have timed countdown as well. Let's check out what that looks like. And as you can see it, in a 24 hours, something is going to happen. So I just like the amazing sleek design. It's quite interesting. So you can change the background color if you like. Change the background color. It just has this amazing feel. Change the text color. See, put anything you like. Highly customizable as well. You can change the font. Go with something impactful, leading. See, change the position. Change, I mean, you can customize every aspect of it. Corner style and so on. Corner radius. Wow, this is amazing. So you can easily customize all of those things, and you can easily get the code from here once you finish your customization. So moving on, let's check out some other, maybe a recurring event. So you can have the counter just right here. Let's check out the historic counter demo, see, and so on and so forth. So I just like the sleek design of this plugin. It really gets straight to the point, and it offers you something amazing. Maybe you want to count an amount maybe is increasing every second, or every now and then, every 3 seconds this amount is changing, and so on and so forth. So you can easily do that here. So depending on what you are trying to count up to or down to, you can easily do that here. Amount of second passed since the start of 2019. Value increase after 5 seconds. So as you can see, you can easily do so many things with this counter. So slow reveal demo. Yep. So as you can see, animated values demo. Wow, that's so interesting. I just like the design. Maybe you have a, let's check out this demo. Okay, this is the clock. It's showing you the current time and how it's passing. So maybe you want to local time demo. Maybe you want to get the local time, the local date, and so on and so forth. Stopwatch demo. Maybe you are trying to run a stopwatch. Starts, resets. So it's amazing. Billboard demo. Okay, so you can also show as well maybe text and so on and so forth. You animate that to be changing. So this is just a little plugin that allows you to do something just basic as a counter. And so I just like the design of this. I can definitely see it on a couple of projects of mine, and hopefully it can as well serve you in one capacity. I really like how customizable it is. It doesn't offer too much customization, but at least offers enough of that customization. So hopefully you check out this project and you implement it in yours, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one.